Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a video call on Instagram on laptop. The first thing you will need to do is select messages. Then from here you are going to select the chat that you would like to video call. So for example, I will select this chat right here. Then you are going to see the camera icon. You are going to simply tap on it. After selecting the camera icon, a new window will open up. And from here, you're going to need to grant permission to use camera and microphone. So you're going to simply tap on that. Then you're going to select allow. And after you have selected allow, you will see that your camera is now on. And you'll simply tap on start call. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to make a video call on Instagram on laptop or Chrome.